honoring her race and cultural heritage. Dominated by a rich, vibrant red, symbolizes Anghi's deep affection for the color. The ensemble is softly accented with earth tones like gold and beige, enhancing its elegance without overshadowing its primary hue. Designer, he conventional, unforgettable. This avant-garde ensemble pushes the boundaries of tradition with its bold architecture and sculptural grace. Cloaked in deep red, the color of defiance and devotion, this gown unfolds like a living tapestry of resilience. Candidate number 4, Katrina Gloria Ramil, the enduring event campaign. Draped in rich red, the gown blooms with ruffles and roses, each petal a symbol of sorrow, devotion, and timeless grace. Like Mayon Volcano, Anghi reflects the Bicolana spirit, powerful, passionate, and unbreakable. This modern Philippine turbo-inspired festival costume pays tribute to the vibrant spirit of Anghi. The gown dazzles in a rich palette of glittered red and maroon, symbolizing passion with elegant accents of gold and orange for warmth and grandeur. She is Anghi, someone who is much more than a pretty face, red colored lips, and vibrant hues. Her strength lies in her ability to light other people's lives through her immense love for her culture and her.
Candidate number 7, Nicole Joycian L. Peña Serrano. The red festival costume with 2 dancing dolls on both sides shine brightly as a beacon of community camaraderie, uniting the people of Polangi in a shared celebration of unity and festival attire features a striking red dress adorned with red flowers, capturing the vibrant spirit of the Polangi Festival. The bold red dress reflects Anghi's deep love for the color red, an enduring symbol of passion, strength, and power. Adorning the dress are red flowers inspired by the reflection from legend and lore. This is Mutya ng Pulangi in her full regalia of breathtaking tribute to the heroine who gave her name, her love, and her legacy to Pulangi. This dazzling creation is a symphony in red. Crafted with impeccable detail, its corset-style bodies is delicately embroidered with shimmering crystal beadwork. The Pulangi warrior costume is cloaked in deep reds and gold colors of fire, blood, and honor. The bodies is shaped like an ancient armor, adorned with flame-like gold patterns that ripple with each hue of Anghi. Inspired by the legendary maiden Anghi, the most beautiful woman in town, symbolizing the essence of Pulangi, love, compassion, and the unyielding spirit of the people. Drenched in radiant red, the attire features 3-dimensional designer Saori. Candidate number 11, Alexandra Krishna Apollino. Her color is ravishing, remarkable, rapturous red. The color is as raw as the rose's flesh, which drips down her charm and beauty. Red is the life and story of Anghi. The festival costume of candidate number 13, Karamuan Camarines Sur, represents the the Pulangueños' way to bring back the story of a maiden who loves everything in red and well known in the place. In person folds she walks with a laugh aglow, a living tale of Pulangueños' passion and pain, strength and sacrifice. This attire is more than just a fabric. It is a flame of femininity woven into one. The lamp, a symbol of light in the darkness. Happiness, strength, and passion. The very qualities that every Pulangueño possess. This stunning all-red Filipiniana resembles perfect suited to Anggi's love for red dresses. Embodies the grace, modesty, and beauty of women. The costume is adorned with Roja Misteriosa, or in English, the mysterious red. Costume showcases a modern Filipiniana in striking red, symbolizing the vibrant spirit and cultural pride of Pulangi. This contemporary twist on traditional attire features intricate beaded embellishments that shimmer with every step, reflecting the community's rich cultural heritage. Delicate rose-inspired fabrics flow gracefully, illustrating femininity. The costume is a representation of Anggi and the people of Pulangi. The vibrant crimson hue symbolizes passion, love, and sacrifice, reflecting the community's unshakable commitment to their spiritual people. Ready, number 18 wears a hauntingly elegant red gown, like liquid fire. Its color, a deep blood-drenched crimson that echoes a tragic tale of Pulangi. The fabric shimmers subtly with threads of silver and ruby, reminiscent of the flames of passion and vengeance that surrounded her fate. Radiating with the vibrant spirit of Pulangi, this red ball gown is a powerful homage to passion, beauty, and resilience. Adorned with delicate flower patches, they ensemble blooms with a timeless grace of femininity in the rich folklore of Oban. A striking red headdress crowns the look, bold and regal, symbolizing strength and heritage. Anggi shines like a rose in bloom. Her breathtaking red ball gown festival costume, a vibrant tribute to her love for the color. The gown's flowing floor-length silhouette is adorned with intricate floral patterns, evoking the delicate beauty. Designer Wet Couture Collection and Juliet Temperante.